Thinking about buying an electric vehicle? Before you sign anything, before you fall in love with the tech, the silence, the gas savings, there's one cost most dealers don't explain clearly, and it could kill the deal. I'm not talking about charging stations. I'm not talking about battery range. I'm talking about EV insurance, because thousands of new EV owners are shocked after they buy when their insurance bill shows up higher than their car payment. Today, I'll explain why EV insurance is so expensive, what most drivers miss, and how to avoid making a costly mistake. If you're thinking about an EV, this video could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Why EVs look like a great deal. Let's be clear. EVs are amazing on paper. You save on gas, lower maintenance, quiet ride, tax credits, high-tech features. Dealers love to talk about no oil changes, cheaper to maintain, future of driving. But here's the problem. Insurance is rarely part of the EV sales conversation, and that's where reality hits. The shock most EV buyers experience. Here's a common story. You buy an EV. You're excited. You call your insurance company to update the policy, and suddenly your premium jumps 20% to 40%, sometimes even double. Same driver, same location, same driving record. So what changed? The car. Insurance companies don't care about hype. They care about risk and repair costs. And EVs are expensive to insure for several reasons. Reason number one, EV repair costs are much higher. Yes, EVs have fewer moving parts, but when something breaks, it breaks expensively. Here's why. 1. Battery damage equals massive cost. The battery is the most expensive part of an EV. Even minor damage near the battery can lead to full battery replacement, costs from $10,000 to $20,000 plus. Insurance companies see this as a high-risk component. 2. Sensors everywhere. EVs are packed with cameras, radar, advanced driver assistance systems. A small fender bender can mean sensor recalibration, camera replacement, software resets. A repair that costs $1,500 on a gas car can cost $4,000 plus on an EV. 3. Limited repair shops. Not every shop can fix EVs. Fewer certified shops means higher labor costs and longer repair times. Longer repairs mean higher rental car costs, bigger insurance payouts, and guess who pays for that long term? You. Reason number 2, EVs are total loss prone. Insurance companies are seeing something worrying. EVs are being totaled more often than gas cars. Why? Because when battery housing is damaged, structural components are affected, sensors are compromised, the repair cost quickly exceeds the car's value. So insurers think, this car is expensive to fix and easy to total. Higher risk means higher premiums. Reason number 3, insurance companies are still adjusting. EVs are still relatively new in the insurance world. That means less long-term data, more uncertainty, conservative pricing. Insurance companies protect themselves by charging more, especially in high-traffic states, high-accident areas, urban zones. If you live in states like California, Arizona, Texas, Florida, New York, EV insurance can be especially painful. Why dealers don't warn you. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Car dealers don't sell insurance. They sell monthly payments, features, incentives. Insurance happens after the sale. So when buyers say, "No one told me insurance would be this high," they're right, but by then it's too late. Let's look at a simple example. 2 drivers, same age, same city, same driving history. One buys a gas sedan, the other buys an EV. Gas car insurance, $140 per month. EV insurance, $210 per month. That's $70 more per month, $840 more per year. Over 5 years, $4,200 extra, just for insurance. That can erase fuel savings completely. If you're still considering an EV, do this before buying. 1. Get insurance quotes first. Never guess. Call your insurer with exact EV model, trim level, year. Then compare it to a gas car. 2. Ask about battery coverage. Some policies treat battery damage differently, have higher deductibles. Know what you're paying for. 3. Compare multiple insurers. Some companies price EVs aggressively, others overcharge due to caution. Shopping alone can save hundreds. 4. Adjust coverage smartly. Sometimes higher deductibles, adjusted comprehensive coverage, can lower premiums without risking protection. So, should you avoid EVs? Not necessarily. EVs still make sense for many drivers, but only if you understand total cost, insurance is part of the math, you're not surprised later. Smart drivers don't ask, "Can I afford the car?" They ask, "Can I afford the car long term?" EVs are the future, but insurance is the reality. Don't let excitement blind you. Don't let hidden costs ruin a smart decision, because the most expensive car is the one you didn't fully understand. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone considering an EV, and subscribe to Insure Drive, where we break down real insurance costs, hidden fees, and smart ways to protect your money. Before you drive electric, insure smart.